Hello guys, it's Freedom again. So in this part of the training, I'll be showing you how to upload your first video on YouTube. Like I mentioned earlier, there is a difference between a YouTube channel and a YouTube profile, or rather an account on YouTube, a YouTube account. They are two different things, okay? So if you are having a YouTube account, let me explain again. If you're having a YouTube account, you can watch videos on YouTube, like videos on YouTube. You may not be able to comment, but you can do a whole lot of things on YouTube. In fact, when you have a Google account, you automatically have a YouTube account. But to have a channel, you must put all of these things into consideration. Having said that, here is the basic info section of this channel. For those who have not added this to their channel, I mentioned that earlier that you can change the name of your channel anytime you like, but then it cannot be done more than twice in 14 days. You can't do it more than twice in 14 days. So if you're looking at changing your name, just know that you'll have to wait for like another 7 days before you are able to change it to something else. Okay, so here is an handle that is a handle that is automatically allocated to you once you create your channel. It differs, it varies. Yours might be different depending on the name you are using. Okay, and you can also customize it. You can customize it. You can also change it once in 2 weeks. So here is the description. Here is where it gets somehow really difficult for some people. This description is something you might want to give a lot of consideration to, because your description is what helps your channel to rank. It's what helps you to put your channel in the faces of those who would want to subscribe to your channel. So here is this channel's description. It says, Freedom Tech provides skill development courses based on current industry needs. We take great pride in the intensity and rigor we bring to our trainings. All our courses are mentor-led with 24/7 support. Our mentors are industry thought leaders in their respective fields. We provide courses for data science, graphic design, web development, data analytics, 3D animation and logo services, mobile app development, front and back end, full stack development. Okay, so I will want to add, you have the chance of writing over 1,000 words here as your description. I've just done only 440, so I can still add something. So I'll just say, I'll write this in capital letters: subscribe to this channel and you won't regret it. Yes, subscribe to this channel and you will not regret it. Okay, so you might want to go ahead and search for somebody in your field. I said some time ago that it is really bad, and should I say, it makes you really slow to want to reinvent the wheel in this tech space as far as YouTube is concerned. Just look for what works and model it. It's as simple as that. Look for what works and model it. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Will not. Okay, don't try to reinvent the wheel, please. So you can just look for somebody. If you are a church channel, you can look for those big ministries, extract their description, work on it. I'm not saying copy somebody's description, please. That is not what I'm saying. In fact, this is a disclaimer. Do something that is unique. I'm just saying, do not try to scatter your brain trying to build something from scratch. There are a lot of templates you can just pick up, edit it, and use. Okay, you can even pick this if you're in the technology space. I give you that permission. You can pick it and edit it and use it for your channel. It's as simple as that. So here we have the channel URL. This is automatically allocated to you by YouTube too. So you have them, and you can just copy this and send it to anyone that says, let me see your YouTube link. So all of you that had issues sending me your YouTube link on this training, here is it. You can just come here, copy it and send them to me. So here is where you can add your website. You can just, if you have a website, you can just add it here. And here is the YouTube. There's the website URL. As you can see, you can delete it from here if you want. And here's your contact info, where you add your email address, your phone number if you wish. Here you can add links, maybe your Telegram link, your Facebook, Instagram, and all. So I do not really want to go into that. This video is to teach you how to upload your first video on YouTube. So let's go straight into that. I'll go to my dashboard. Okay, please, when you're done, do not forget to publish your changes. So I'm just going to go and publish this. I give it some time to get published, and so when it's published, you get a prompt here that your changes have been saved successfully, and then you can move on to the next stage. Now this is taking time, so I'll just pause this video and allow it to publish, and then I would continue when that is done. Okay, so our changes have been published, so I'll go to dashboard now, and here I can upload my first video. So I will want to click on create. You have this drop down that will pop up. So under this drop down, you can upload videos, go live, create a post, create a new list, or even start a podcast. So here right now I want to upload a video, so I'll just click on upload a video. I'll click on select file. That's the first thing you might want to do. Select the file you want to upload. Okay, so I would just go to this file. You should already know where the file is on your desktop computer or your phone, so you just go ahead and upload it. So I guess this is the file I want to upload, and that is it. So you might want to write a very catchy title for your content. As a matter of fact, your title is what makes your content, that's your video, to grow. It's what gives it views. It's what gives you channel subscribers. So here I'm going to say how to create. That's what the video is about. So how to create a YouTube channel. Now this is a layman way of writing the title. If you want to make it more juicy, for instance, you can just go ahead and be creative. Yes, so I will just say create a channel like a pro. It sounds more interesting than saying how to create a channel. So create a YouTube channel like a pro. Yeah, so whoever comes across this and comes across how to create a YouTube channel will probably click on this first, because this is more convincing. It's telling your viewer that you can help them create a YouTube channel like a pro. So your video description matters too. Sometimes you might choose to use AI to generate your video descriptions. You might choose to use AI to generate your video descriptions, and you might want to write them yourself. Okay, so for this part of the training, I think I'll just use an AI to generate one. So here is it. There is BART. I will advise you use this AI because it runs on the GPT-4. It is an updated version of AI. So for those of you using ChatGPT, here is a very good opportunity for you to... Okay, I think I'm having network challenges. You just load the bard.com, bard.google.com. Yes, that is it. So here is bard.com, bard.google.com, bard.google.com. Like I said, it runs on the GPT-4, so you don't have a problem. So I'll say, write me a video, a description for a YouTube video. So here's the prompt. Write me a YouTube description, a YouTube video description for a video on how to create a YouTube channel. Please, you have to take note of the prompt you're giving to this AI so that it doesn't generate something off-key for you. Okay? So you give it time and allow it to generate the content for you. Okay? I forgot to mention that if you are new here, it would ask you to sign up. Yes, it will ask you to sign up. So here is the description that's generated. Do you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to start? This video will show you how to create a YouTube channel in 5 easy ways. How to sign up, how to choose a YouTube name, how to choose a profile picture, how to create a trailer, how to customize your channel settings, and how to start uploading video. Right? So here is a complete description for your video. So I'm just going to copy this from here. Do you want to blah 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 blah, call to action, and then copy it. You may want to edit this so that YouTube doesn't disturb you. So paste it. You paste this. Let's paste this. And here is it. So do you want to start a YouTube channel? So I'll just edit this. I'll say looking. Please, I'm doing this because I am trying to create a video on how to create a YouTube channel. You have to do something different if you're on a different page. Okay, looking to start a YouTube channel but don't know how to start. This video will show you how to create a YouTube channel in 5 easy ways. Yeah, I think this is good. I'm okay with this. I think the network is slow. Okay, looking at starting a YouTube channel but don't know how to start. I'll just see if I can. So you may want to customize all this, come with timestamps and also I will just remove this timestamp. This is me trying to edit this to my own use. I'll remove this call to action. If you're ready to start creating your own channel, click on the link below this video. There is no link in my own video, so I'll just remove this part. Yes, I'll remove this part. There is no additional information, so I'll just remove this part too. Okay, additional information. Yeah, you can just decide to use this. This video is for beginners who want to learn how to create a YouTube channel, 3 minutes long, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So there's something called thumbnail. In the next video I'll be showing you how to create a thumbnail. For now, let us just go ahead and do the settings. This video is not for kids. If you click on yes, it's made for kids, only kids will see your video. Okay, so you don't want to do that. So the video is not meant for kids, everybody can see it. The video does not contain any promo, or there's no paid placement or sponsorship, so you don't have to check that. There are automatic chapters, allow automatic places here. So you leave all the settings like this. This is done for you by default. There is something I installed on my YouTube that does this for me by default. So it generates tags for my videos. So I'm just going to leave this like this. For you, this might be empty, so you can just leave it like that, and you can leave it like that, and keep doing what you're doing. And the languages, the video language is English, of course, so you can just leave this like that. And if you want to include the recording date and all of that, you can allow this video to be remixed or anything. If you want to leave it, fine. This video is for educational purpose, so I'm going to leave it for educational purpose. If you are doing sports, entertainment and all, you might want to check one of this, or maybe music. But mine is for educational purpose, so I'll leave it. And here is it. You're in Nigeria, and you can hold your video, yes, for people who may want to come and start saying nonsense under your video. Some reviews will not be able, some comments will not be able to show up until you approve of them. Yes, like those that have the F word and all. So this video is already getting too long. I'm just going to stop here. In the next video, I'll be showing us how to create YouTube thumbnails, and we'll go ahead to upload this video. So see you on the other side.